Imagine wearing a ring that tracks your sleep, stress, heart rate, oxygen levels, and even warns you about possible sleep apnea without paying a monthly subscription. That's exactly why the new RingConn Gen 3 is blowing up right now. At first, I thought this was just another overpriced smart gadget, but then I found out it has up to 14 days of battery life, vibration alerts, titanium build quality, and advanced health tracking packed into something smaller than your wedding ring. And unlike Oura, RingConn doesn't lock your health data behind a paywall. But here's where things get interesting. Some users love it because it's lightweight, accurate, and distraction-free. Others say the battery starts degrading after a year and customer support can be hit or miss. So, is RingConn Gen 3 actually worth it? If you want smartwatch-level health tracking without constant notifications buzzing on your wrist, honestly, this might be one of the best smart rings in 2026. But only if you buy from the official website, because fake RingConn scam stores are already popping up online. Would you actually wear a smart ring like this, or is this just another tech trend that'll disappear in a year?